Assalamu alaikum, welcome to another new video. So it shows the result. Our first number is 20, second number is 55 and third number is 69. So the total amount is 144 and the average of 144 is 48. Today we are going to learn how to calculate the average of three numbers in GW Basic. So let's start our program. Today our objective is to calculate the total and average of three numbers. So let's start our object to calculate average of three numbers. You can calculate 4, 5, 6 as you want, but we are going to calculate the average of three numbers. So let's start our program. First we clear our screen. GW Basic is case sensitive, so we have to write each and every statement in capital letters. 30, next line. First we take the input from the user. Input means we are going to take input first number, second number from the user. So now we are taking input, enter first number, and for this we are going to create one variable in which we take the input and we put variable name number 1. This is our first variable. Before putting the variable we put semicolon sign, and now variable name number 1, same as it is, we will take input of second number, enter second number. Semicolon, and number 2 is the variable name of second number. Now we take input of third number, enter third number, and number 3 is the third variable name. Now we have taken the input of three numbers. Now we will calculate first total and then we will calculate the average. So for calculating total, we will write the formula of total. We create one variable, its name is total, and in this variable we add number 1, number 2, number 3. We add these three numbers and we save these addition of these three numbers in a variable which is total. Next we calculate average, same like total. We create one variable average, and we know that average is total divided by the number of total quantity, means we have three numbers, so we will put 3. If we have 4 numbers, we will put 4. So total divided by number of the elements. We have 3 numbers, so we put 3. Now we print these 3 numbers, and after these 3 numbers we print our total and our average numbers. So for this we write print statement, print first number, number 1. First put semicolon and then after put the variable for the first number 1. Same like number 2, number 3 and number 4. Second number, third number. Now we print total. Now average. In the end we put end statement. So that's all for today. This is our program. Now we run it. For running our program we will press F2. So it shows the result. Our first number is 20, second number is 55 and third number is 69. So the total amount is 144 and the average of 144 is 48. That's all for today. If you like this video then kindly subscribe my channel and like this video. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.